welcome back to another episode of the Transshine blog. We'll present to you the most asked question at Transshine. What does a detail cost? For 38 years, we've had to answer that question, so we've gotten pretty good about what package is going to fit the conditions of the car. So much of all the pricing and the cost of getting a detail is based on three things: the size of the car, the age of the car, and the condition of the car. So all those factors play into how much time it's going to take and how much labor to do a job to Transshine standards. Cars get used a lot sometimes. Cars get used infrequently. Volume of traffic, volume of driving, all that's aging the car. We recommend that you bring the car in, and that way we can assess the condition and we could tell you what packages will be a good fit, and also what expectations you might have, and also what we can do to improve on your vehicle. Now, let me assure you, no one ever comes here because we're the cheapest on the block. They come here because they want a detail that's extraordinarily good, thorough, going to last a long time. Honestly, in this business, you get what you pay for. We are here to do the best job of the most professional grade detail your money can buy. Please like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you found it interesting, subscribe to our channel, and we'll continue on educating you on the world of detailing. Thank you very much for listening.